Yeah, we broke up. He was such a cold fish. Today I'm going to give you 6 idioms you can simply use to describe other people's personalities. So let's get the show on the road. Pain in the neck. Pain in the neck. مزعج. رخم. She's a real pain in the neck. Wimp. Wimp. ضعيف. ما عندوش ثقة في نفسه. Actually, I used to be a wimp. Cold fish. Cold fish. ما عندوش مشاعر. قلبه قاسي. بارد. He was such a cold fish. Big mouth. Big mouth. ما يتبلش في بقه فولة. She's a big mouth. I never tell her secret. Down to earth. Down to earth. عملي. My boss is always down to earth. Eager beaver. Eager beaver. نشيط أو مجتهد. Employers always tend to hire eager beaver candidates. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you very soon. Bye bye.